Hey girly pops, or should I say hey baddies, it's me Felix and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're doing a full face of drugstore products that are underhyped and some products that are hyped but that are actually really good. This is just proof you don't need expensive high-end makeup products to achieve a high-end makeup look that's perfect for summer, very glowy, very bronzy, and very weightless on your skin. Without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. The first product I've been obsessing over this summer are the NYX Buttermelt Sticks, and especially this gold color. You can see I don't have anything left. It just gives you this amazing glow and it truly glides on like butter. Just look at this reflection. So this is with the NYX and this is without the NYX. And you can use it on your Cupid's bow, on the bridge of your nose, in the inner corners of your eyes, in the middle of the chin, on your collarbone. This truly is such a must-have, especially if you're gonna take those flash photos on the beach with a sunset. This is just gonna pop so hard on camera. You can use it on your shoulder. It's just such an universal product. You could use this over your foundation, but I recommend and I prefer using under it. And another product for an amazing glow is the OG Lumi Glotion. It's gonna provide you with this natural kind of JLo glow. Look at my skin, it looks like glass, and you can always fake a glass skin with the right products. So that's why this step is truly important. Moving on to a primer. I know there have been so many new launches, but I'm gonna stick to the e.l.f. Power Grip. This is so hydrating. Even if it's humid, it leaves you with a very gripping effect. And your makeup is gonna last longer in the worst heat waves possible. For example, I'm in Europe, so the European heat wave is something else right now. The NYX Make & Wonder foundation has been viral and truly is worth the hype. It glides on like butter, but I wanna show you something that's underhyped, and this is the Bourjois foundation. These foundations are so hydrating, which is amazing for dry skin. It has so much skincare ingredients like vitamin C, E, B5, and B3. So it's like an anti-fatigue foundation, that's what it's called. And I have been recently loving brushes, just because with brushes, we are not wasting away the product. And I love to use it under my eye because it doesn't crease, it doesn't crack. Your skin will look so healthy with this foundation. Just look at this natural radiance, but it doesn't look oily. And if you have mature skin, you're gonna love this. Then we have another product, which is bronzing drops from Milani. If you don't wanna wear any makeup, you can literally just slap these bronzing drops. They're so easy to work with. If you wear a sunscreen and these bronzing drops over the sunscreen, my skin already looks so much healthier. I have some dimension, and this is just such an amazing product. I'm truly so obsessed with these drops. Skin is skinning already, but moving on to concealers. This is the MUA Makeup Academy. Pro Base Concealers are everything. They are buildable, yet they look really natural. So I've been obsessing over this product for a while. This works on mature skin. I've tried it and I've been using it with my clients and on myself on the go, because it gives you like a very sheer coverage, but it's definitely also buildable. Moving on to a blush. This is also from MUA Makeup Academy. It's a stick blush, but it is so pigmented and this is so slept on. This is €5, which is around $6. And we're just gonna blend her out. But see how pigmented this is? I am gonna need to fix it. I'm gonna go over with our concealer brush to just diffuse this color. Now, what I've been loving also are these that have been on the market for a while. I guess we're using a lot of Milani today, and you can just apply a nice layer and it brightens your inner corner. It comes in various of shades, but this is a perfect pre-eyeshadow kind of step, because now we're gonna take a Kiko Milano eyeshadow, and Kiko Milano products in general are slept on so hard, but we're gonna use this shimmer that's really, really bright. And because we've applied Milani Gilded Stick, the shimmer is gonna literally glue to the inner corner. This is just an amazing, amazing hack. Girl, I'm obsessed. And again, a lot of Milani today apparently. But their eyeshadow palettes, especially the mattes, are so easy to work with and so easy to blend. With a fluffy brush, we're just creating a base. You can tell how pigmented they are. You can create a quick eyeshadow that looks like it took you 2 hours and literally minutes. Now a face palette that's so universal. You can use it on your body, on your eyes, or as a highlighter is this from Gosh Cosmetics. From all of the brands that I'm showing you today, this is the brand that's been slept on the most. So see how beautiful the glow looks like. So we're just gonna apply it in the middle of our nose, on our cheekbone. This is perfect for summer because we're setting the previous NYX Buttermelt sticks and the Glotion with powder. So we're creating like a double seal effect. This is amazing for humid weather, for hot weather. It is just locking everything in place. With a pink shade, this is so pretty. We're just gonna emphasize our blush and we're creating this glowy, glowy transition. But see how this reflects light. This is absolutely insane. Last but not least are these amazing, amazing lip liners from Gosh Cosmetics. It's like a perfect nude color. So I'm just gonna use it and overline my lips. Because it's summer, we want something on our lips that's gonna feel really light, yet it's gonna stay, so it's gonna be long lasting and pretty, and it's gonna feel good and moisturizing. Again, this is from Milani. It's called the Keep It Full Glossy Plumping Ball, but it is so buttery. A little goes a long way, so I use this as lipstick. We're gonna go over with a gloss that I've been loving also, and this is from NYX Cosmetics, the Jelly Job glosses. The applicator in general sucks. It feels really cheap, but the formula is amazing. It truly is so amazing. So we're just applying a light layer and dabbing everything with our fingers. This is just the easiest and fastest way. And the falsies that I've been loving are actually from Catrice. This is like the packaging, how it looks like. Unfortunately, you know, I've opened them and I've been loving them, so I don't have the full packaging, but they're so wispy. I'm just gonna apply them and be right back. And voila, this is the full face of drugstore products, in my opinion, that are underhyped, and some products that are hyped and that are actually really, really good. The mascara that I used is the L'Oreal Extensionist mascara. The way it doesn't glue the lashes together is insane. The formula, the color, 10 out of 10, chef's kiss. I only heard good reviews from this mascara and people have been loving it and I've been loving it, and it's an essential now in my routine. I have so many mascaras, but this is my favorite and it has been since I got it in PR. This is 10 out of 10 again. I hope this video was helpful and you got maybe some confirmation on the products you've been looking at when you wanted to buy some new drugstore products. These are amazing, and this is just proof that you really truly don't need high-end makeup products to achieve a high-end makeup look that looks straight from the ultimate Instagram baddie makeup look. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have other socials where I post short form content. And until next time, don't forget that you are the baddest baddie, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!